Problem 4. Did coaching improve job satisfaction scores? Okay. See the word improve there? Improve. That means that we're expecting that the post-job satisfaction will be higher than the pre-job satisfaction. So there's only one group here, right? Everybody in a company, they were given a job satisfaction survey. That's what this one is. And then they brought in a job coach to try to make everybody happier about their job. And then after the coach left, they checked the job satisfaction scores again, right? So pre-test and a post-test, only one group. That makes it a paired t-test. Got it? On a paired t-test. There's the formula. I'm going to try to explain this real quick. This capital sigma here looks like an E. That means we're going to add them all up. But the D stands for difference. So the difference between the first guy, 5 minus 6 is negative 1. Difference from the second guy, 7 minus 7 is 0. Third guy, 5 minus 4 is 1, etc., etc. That's what this means. And then you would add them all up. The capital N is the total sample size, which is 25, right? There's only 25 people in the sample. And this means you would square the difference first and then add them up, minus, you would add them all up and then square that difference, divide that by the 1 minus sample size, take the square root. It's just a giant mess. But we're not going to do it this way, okay? We're going to do it the fast way. Okay, so let's get rid of this one. All right, we're going to go to data. We're going to go to data analysis. This is a different t-test. This is not the 2-sample. This is the paired 2-sample, right? There's actually 2 repeated measures, but it's the paired t-test. Click OK. And again, our value range, variable range should be the same, but since we don't know, we're going to highlight the first one. Put your cursor in the second variable range. Highlight, including the text up there, the title, the label, if you were. And we did include the labels in our clicking and dragging. Our output range, let's simply put it, I don't know, let's put it right there, I guess. And there it is. Let's open it up a little bit. And let's make it easier to see. And let's go to town. So we do know it's a 1-tailed test. So pre-job 4.56, post is 4.92, not a big jump. The variances are close enough to be homogeneous, or whatever it's called. So we had 25 pre, 25 post. But again, our sample size was only 25. Degrees of freedom is total sample size is 25 minus the number of groups. We only had one group, so that makes it our degrees of freedom 24. And we're going to go to our 1-tailed p-value, which is the same as a sig value in SPSS. So it was not less than 0.05. See that? 0.07 is not less than 0.05, therefore we cannot reject the null. And the null would state that there is no difference between the job satisfaction means and the post-job satisfaction means, right? They're pretty close to the same number, and they are. That's right there, right? So we do not reject the null, so we did not prove that this guy improved job satisfaction scores. In other words, the data does not support that he improved job satisfaction scores. That's it. Hope that helps. MGZ out.